Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's video, I would like to give a special shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So they sent me over this gorgeous straight unit. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is 150% density, which is perfect. Y'all, I'm in love. Look at this. Now I did dye the hair using my texture and tone, but I didn't put any type of sheen on this hair. And look at it. Gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. But look at this. I did not pluck the unit or dye my knots. I always use the foundation, and I want to say that this unit came pre-plucked, which is perfect for me because I'm not the best plucker, so that was a plus for me. And also I need to ask them the size cap that they sent to me, because usually when I use my adjustable straps, the unit buckles in the back. If you guys wear units, y'all know what I mean. It buckles in the back, and this one didn't do that at all. So this wig is laying perfect. If my eyes look a little chinky, it's because my braids are a little tight, okay? But the wig is laying perfect. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, this will definitely be in my top 5. I will always work with this company, so y'all get used to hearing that name because I'm in love with this hair. Okay, I did get a 24-inch, so it comes like a little past my hip, but I'm in love with it, y'all. This hair is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. So when I received the hair, of course they added a few extra goodies. Lashes. They sent over this really pretty little beauty bag that says Beauty Forever. They sent over a edge brush, and this edge brush had a little comb at the bottom, so I thought that was really cool. They sent over this Beauty Forever scarf that you tie down your edges with, and then of course a wig cap. So now this is me unboxing the hair, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. As soon as I pulled it out of the box, I knew I would love it just by the way that it felt. This is how it looks before I dyed it. It also has the 3 combs and of course the adjustable straps with the lace on the back, and also the 13x4 frontal. So yeah, love the hair. 10 out of 10 recommend. I think I did say that this hair was 150% density, but it's actually 180% density. So I would highly recommend this unit. It's bomb. So I'll have all the information to this hair in the description box below. So on today's vlog, I'm not really doing much. My son's girlfriend's coming over. We're gonna plan some makeup a little bit. Just have a cute little girls' night. I'm gonna make some cocktails, and I'm also gonna try out this recipe that I found on TikTok. I'm gonna insert a little clip of it right here. This is the girl that made it on TikTok. Y'all go show her some love and just tell her I sent you. I haven't looked at any of her other videos, but that video caught my eye. I'm a big fan of pot pie, and I just thought that that looked so good. So I said, okay, I'm gonna try to make that tonight. So I'm gonna do that, make some cocktails. But I do want to also show you guys a few things that I received from some of you guys. I received some bomb gifts, y'all. Bomb gifts. So let me just get into that really quick. Okay, so I received a few things in my P.O. box from you guys. Y'all bomb, okay? This first thing is from itgirlaccessories.com. This is her card right here. I'll have her Instagram name across the screen. Her Instagram is itgirlaccessories1. So bomb. And she sent me over these beautiful body candles. So this one is like a chocolate brown, and then she sent this one over, and this one looks more like a gray. I think it's probably like a black on her website, but it looks a little gray on camera. These are a little different from the ones that I'm used to seeing, and I'm going to show y'all why. when you turn her to the side, honey, baby got that arch. She arched her back. Okay. That's how you do it. No, I'm kidding. With buns for days. Don't play with her. So yeah, she sent these over to me. I thought that these were absolutely gorgeous. I probably would never ever burn these candles because they're just so cute. So I'll just have these sitting in my living room. I'll find a really pretty home for them. Trust me, I'm gonna style these babies up. But this is the one that I had out over the weekend. I had it on my table over there and it just looks so pretty. I had like a piece of pumpkins on the side and it just looks so cute. So thank you so much, girl, for sending these to me because they are beautiful. Keep doing your thing. The next thing that I received from one of you guys is another candle that I've been burning non-stop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert a clip when I first lit the candle because I've been burning it so you can't really see the crystals inside, but it has crystals inside. This is the hiatus candle. It's a 100% soy candle, hand poured. This thing was so gorgeous. When I saw this, I'm like, oh my God, that is so classy. Like if I was to see something like this in the store, I would grab it. The crystals just set it off. I want more. It smells really, really nice. I love it. This is her card right here. And she also sent over some beard oils for Tony. He has that put up in his stuff, and also a body butter for me. So thank you so, so much. I will also have her Instagram name across the screen. Now, I'm not too sure if the candles are available just yet. But I'll have all of her information and you guys can check her out. But I'm telling y'all, the candle was so beautiful. Like, I'm just like, oh my God, this is so pretty. And y'all know I love crystals, and that was just, it was perfect. So I've been burning that like all day. It's so pretty. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. Next up, shout out to my girl Tori L. Bryant. She started a little girls book. Girl, we out here doing big things, okay? And I thought that this was so dope. Like, what? Girl, get into it, okay? So I thought this was really, really cool. Tori, please leave your information in my comment section and I'll be sure to pin it for you. So thank you so much. We proud of you, girl. We rooting for you over here, okay? Thank you. And then I received a unit, Black owned company, and it is from Sister Locks. This is the wig bag that they sent to me. Love the logo. Love the logo. Girl, we is talented, okay? Look at the logo. Bomb. Bomb. So this is their Brazilian straight 24-inch 150% density. So I will be trying this out probably next week and I'll let you guys know, but I can already tell this is gonna be bomb. I can just tell by the way that the hair feels that it's gonna be bomb. It doesn't have a smell. The lace is very soft, like y'all already know. So this is bomb. So thank you so much, y'all. Thank you, Sister Locks. So I'm gonna put this unit in here in this wig bag, and I'll be wearing this next week for sure. And I'm gonna tag you on my Instagram when I have it in, and I'll let you guys know, of course, so you can support the brand. So bomb. So yeah, that is all that I received from you guys, and y'all, I was just so happy. Y'all be making me so happy, okay? So I went to the record shop this weekend, and hold on, because this airplane being real banjo. I also went went to the record shop. I bought a few oldies but goodies because I just feel like that's the vibe that I wanted for this record player. I wanted to just get old school music to set that vibe, and I bought the Isley Brothers. I bought what is it? Frankie Beverly, what is it? Let me just show y'all, child. Let me show you. So I bought the OJs. And I bought this one from the record shop. This was the only one that I bought from the record shop because the woman there was so rude, okay? And she was working my nerves. I wanted my albums, but she was working my nerves. So I bought that one and I got the heck up out of there because it was just too much. She was having a bad day. So we'll try on another day. But these I got from the antique shop. So I got this Al Green. I got, what is his name? Philip Bailey. And I don't know who Philip Bailey is, but I'm sure once I hear the song, I'll know. My mother-in-law told me I should get this one, so girl, I had to grab it. And then I got Barry White. I got Maze featuring Frankie Beverly. I don't know why I can't say Beverly. Yeah. Got this. And then I got another Al Green. So girl, I just been in here. It's just been a whole vibe. I did go to Walmart the first night that I bought the album player. I went to Walmart because I just wanted to buy an album just to see, you know, how everything worked. And they had the album players in Walmart. So girl, I guess I'm late to the party, child. But they had them in there. They're cheaper in there. I don't know if they're exactly the same ones that I have. It is by the same brand, and they're about $20 cheaper in Walmart. Now I want to get the Aaliyah album, like let me know, let me know. Let me stop singing something before they copyright me, girl, because I sound that good. So yeah, I want to get the Aaliyah. So my son's girlfriend was telling me to go to Urban Outfitters and Target. A lot of you guys said that in the comments, but my son and his girlfriend had literally just told me the exact same thing. I didn't want to go to Target and Walmart to look for the records because I knew that I wanted old school records, but I do want to get Aaliyah. So I've been looking like online to try to find it. It's sold out on Amazon. So I'll probably call up to Target and Urban Outfitters to see if they have the Aaliyah record. If not, then I'll just wait until I find it online. The girl at the record store looked at me crazy when I asked her if they had Aaliyah on vinyl, and she was like, Aaliyah? We don't have no Aaliyah on vinyl. I'm just like, girl, like they putting everything on vinyl now, but okay. I don't know what was wrong with that lady, but she had a whole attitude. So yeah, let's get into the, oh, let me show y'all this really, I got one more thing to show y'all. It's just like this really cute little book holder that I bought, and I'm obsessed with it and I can't stop looking at it. So of course I want to share it with y'all. Anything that you guys see in my place that you like, 9 times out of 10 it's either on my Like to Know It account or my Amazon store. So don't forget to check. But I know for a fact this morning I did add this book holder to my Amazon store, so check there. So here's the book stand. It's just an acrylic book stand, but I thought it was so cute. It just looks so classy. I just love it. It's so cute. So yeah, I just have it just sitting right there for now. Which I'll probably have it sitting on the table. It just looks so good together. Let me let y'all get into the whole look. Let me just set this back up how I had it, and I'm gonna let y'all get into the whole look.
but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been